Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang full performance ng ating bagong Miss Universe sa Philippines, which is Miss Chelsea Manalo. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this because alam ko na hindi lang ako ang naggulat, pati din kayo. Pero most of them naman kasi talaga, or lahat naman sila, deserve talagang manalo. It's just that may kanya-kanya lang tayong mga manok, and may mga kanya-kanya din tayong mga niru-root na alam mo yung hindi nakapasok, and nakapasok yung mga hindi natin napapansin din before. So, ibig sabihin, bias. Bias yan. Pero, since nag-react ako kay Alexi Brooks, sinasabi ko naman talaga na I am not a fashion, a pageant enthusiast, hindi ko alam yung mga terminology and whatnot. Gumawa lang talaga ako ng reaction video because of Alexi Brooks. Though hindi na din siya na nakapasok, pero may corona siya nakuha if I'm not mistaken. But nonetheless, nevertheless, yes, tingnan natin tong performance ni Chelsea. At feeling ko tumatak siya sa akin. Yung gown niya, lumabas siya na parang, sabi ko, parang siyang si Cruella ng 101 Dalmatian. Yung kontrabida doon, yung ganyang gown na best in fur. And then, the second one, tumatak din siya sa akin pagdating sa swimsuit, if I'm not mistaken. So, titingnan natin dito. Go!
Chelsea Manalo, Bulacan!
Ay, kalmado lang pala talaga siya, no?
Advancing to the next round is you! Bulacan!
Kalmado lang pala talaga ang atake niya. Ano siya? Black American or African? Ayan o, nag-slow mo. Oh, tumatak siya dito sa akin. Best in attitude. Pero ano yung height niya? I just wanna know. Flawless. Flawless ang atake niya. Okay.
Pasig! The next pot is for you!
Sige nga.
Bulacan!
Ay! Tingnan natin yung sagot ko dito.
Hello! Okay, Miss Bulacan, are you ready for your question? Let's do this. I want to know, what are you looking forward to? You had the choice, not being able to wear heels or getting your favorite food delivered to you anytime, any day, wherever you are in the world.
So one of the things that I also want to share here is that I love to eat
Ice cream. Naalala ko to.
Foods.
Naalala ko to.
Behind the stage, whenever I get to eat ice cream,
Ice cream in
while
heels.
wearing my heels is both things that I actually
Naalala ko
like
to.
to share with you guys. So it's a both win for me.
Okay, seeing how you walked earlier, I got the visual. The ice cream and the heels, that's a secret. Thank you so much.
Okay, ito, tumatak talaga sa akin tong performance niya na to. Pero na-shock talaga ako nang tinawag si Manalo na second runner-up. Mas na-shock ako nang tinawag si Manalo na second runner-up kaysa sa hindi nakapasok si Alexi Brooks sa top 5. Sa totoo lang. Pero alam mo yung sa gown, for me, ang pinakamagandang gown, si Afisa for me ha. Though hindi ko talaga siya bet. Sinasabi ko yan sa reaction, kung ganda ng aura niya, sa reaction video ko. Pero for me, ang nag-slay talaga sa pagdating sa execution, Sambales. Ang ganda ng execution ni Sambales. Ano ang kulang kay Sambales? Maganda sana din siya.
Two spots left, and
Ayan,
one of them
no.
belongs to...
A second to the last pala siya ng tinawag.
Bulacan!
Bulacan. Maganda din yung gown ni Alexi Brooks. It's just happened na sa top 10. Ang gaganda din ng mga gown talaga ng kalaban niya.
Bulacan!
Ang cute ni Kainta dun.
Thank you so much. All right. You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the values that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I am. Thank you.
Okay. I am so curious kung ano yung mga details sa likod ng gown niya. Ay, pak, attitude. Black Barbie siya, no?
Tagig!
Ito. I was expecting, yes, indeed, inaasahan ko na talaga na si Bulacan. Pero pinagpipray ko talaga si Cainta because I really love Cainta din as well. I love Cainta din.
Okay, 2 ladies remain. And
Kasi
only
aminin
one
man natin.
will be crowned Miss
Aminin talaga
Universe
natin. Parang we are not
2024.
used to what do you call this?
The Miss Universe Philippines title holder will receive the Mega World Samrita Award. She will also become an ambassador of the Philippine Airlines.
Ano, may
Shell
conduit
Line,
siya sa Mega
Team,
World? Sa Brita, ano ba yun?
Surge Fitness
Tingnan mo dyan si
Lifestyle,
ano, nagsisismisan.
PLDT Home,
Si
and
Camigin.
Bingo Plus.
Sinisilip nila yung sa card. Yung Camigin, chismos.
Mo
Eh, si Camigin,
Arena.
no? Tingnan mo si Camigin. Ah.
Ladies, are
Ah.
you ready for this priceless moment?
Si Camigin. Chismosa ni
Harmony,
Camigin. Eh.
you're right. This moment right here. This is it, you guys. And we are all going to witness one tonight as we crown the new Miss Universe Philippines. The Miss Universe
Okay.
Philippines will be crowned with the Lumiere and Majestic crown from Julimer, embellished with golden.
Okay, forward natin. Forward
Although you
natin
look
yan.
too-
Tsaka wait lang, parang may napansin ako. Parang hindi siya, I don't know, baka siguro shock. In shock siya. Na parang, oh, parang ganun. Kasi hindi talaga siya, parang expressionless ang face niya. Nang tinawag siya as Miss Universe. Parang hindi pa siguro niya na-absorb or hindi pa nagsisink in. 'Di ba? Anyways, forward natin. Ay, yung pagkatawag sa kanya.
Bulacan!
Ay, na-shock din naman siya pala.
First runner-up
Ayan, oh.
is
Ano yun?
Cainta.
Parang hindi siya makahinga, no? Ay, in shock siya, D. Ito naman si Michelle D. Kakapanalo pa lang, gusto niya agad, mag-training na agad sa pagbalanse. At tinan mo, di ba pag mag-training sila ng pasarela nila, may buko, may libro. Ano? Dai. Oh, Michelle D. Bakit siya hindi mo na sinuot? Ano na? Inayos niya muna siguro yung sash. The sash comes first and then linagay niya yung corona. Ay, hindi niya talaga inayos muna dyan pala. Ano yun? Bakit ganun? Michelle D. Nag-tweet siya, at least I fixed it. Umiyak siya. Ganda ng gown ni Michelle D, no? In fairness,
This is it. Please take your first walk as Miss Universe Philippines 2024. You did it!
Hey! Hail to the new queen, Chelsea Manalo from the Philippines. Alam mo, ang dami kasi mga perfect na Pinoy at isa na ako doon. Pero alam mo, susuportahan ko pa rin siya because she will gonna represent us. 'Di ba? Alam mo yon. Dear, katakot-takot na bash, katakot-takot na mga intriga ang ibabato sa'yo for today's video, but prove them wrong. Ilaban mo yan, te. Okay? Support kita dyan. So, yan na to for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!